I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio. I want to make a short clip and show you something I found pretty amazing today. So I had Jesus and Michael drive in 7.5 hours from Virginia. If you notice, it's been snowing. They drove in this morning in the snow to get us to do some upgrades on their Harleys. So on Jesus's bike, he had a Rockford Fosgate 8-speaker system. I put a new Soundstream Reserve head unit in it and readjusted his amp. If you're in that same position, let me know. I took all the measurements and I documented them so we can show you where to set your amp if you do the radio change out. But while he was here, his friend decided he wanted to get his bike done as well. He was really impressed with the radio. So we did 2 Infinity Kappa Perfect 600X front speakers and that Precision Power Soundstream Reserve HDHU14 head unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'm going to do a walk away and I want you to see how loud your system can be with a radio and 2 efficient, properly matched speakers. All right, so let's get this thing playing and we'll see how it does on a walk away. This is the new Infinity Kappa Perfect motorcycle speaker. Neodymium magnet, super efficient. And you'll see as we walk away, this thing is very loud, even off the power of this Soundstream radio. So, if you want to do an upgrade, but maybe you don't have the budget to spend, you know, $3,000, this is very impressive. Good tight mid bass, clear highs, and no problem you're going to be able to hear it at speed. These guys wear full face helmets and they have been blown away with how it sounds. And, you know, some serious dedication. These guys are both ex-Marines, military, police officers, and they do not turn down a ride, it looks like, even with the snow on the ground. So, very dedicated to get this upgrade done. And we're basically hearing one speaker. He's got a sack on the back that's really blocking where we're at from one of them, but as you hear, still loud, still clear. More than most people need for sure. But the next step up, if you wanted to buy this system and later you wanted to add our plug and play Soundstream HMP 4D Hertz amplifier, go right on. You could even add the rear speakers. The 6x9s are phenomenal as well. Let's let this thing get back going here. Man, pretty amazing what we can do with a radio and a properly matched, efficient set of speakers. All right, well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it taught you something. You don't always have to spend a tremendous amount of money to have something that's enjoyable to listen to. Please subscribe to the channel and continue to follow us. God bless.